going on, everybody, and welcome back to AC Bass. Again, Skylar and I are at Loch Reservoir. It's a beautiful fall morning, doing some fishing. Hopefully the bass are going to be up shallow since the shad are moving up shallow now as well. So we're going to give it a dangle, but it is cold, guys. Like, it is freezing. Like, we went from 2 days ago it being 95 degrees to right now it being 44 degrees and windy. So it's a cold one. But like I said, we're gonna do some dangling, hopefully catch us some bass. So you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm starting off the day with a 3/8 ounce white buzz bait, and Skylar is throwing.
Actually, I'm gonna go with a probably a.
Oh, that's how you want to start the day. Okay, so I decided to throw this shad swim bait just because that's their primary bait fish at Loch Raven. So I'm hoping we can get something here on this point. So Skylar said he just saw something pretty darn big, but we don't know if it's a carp or a bass. If it's a bass, I'm gonna lose it. Like, how big are we talking?
Like, I saw, dude, the tail was like.
We're talking like 5. That was probably a carp, which just hit. Oh, he was swimming with it. He was swimming with it. I cannot believe I just missed that. He was literally swimming with it. All right, guys, so we are leaving Loch Raven right now. It was as slow as usual, and the water was super low. It was probably 2 feet.
Yeah.
2 feet lower than normal. But we are going to a creek now to do some more fishing, which I know we will be able to catch some type of fish, whether it's smallmouth or largemouth. Because last time I was there, I was seeing a ton of fish. So hopefully today will be as good as it was last time I was there. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll be there in like a half hour, but for you guys it'll be 2 seconds. We made it to the creek. We got about a mile walk ahead of us. It's gonna take us about 20 minutes to get there. We got like 30-pound tackle bags on our backs. It's gonna be a long walk, but we will try and catch some fish today. Stay tuned. So we're fishing a very pressured area right now. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of people. Yeah, how deep is it? Skylar, did you go down this way? Around? Like I was saying, it's a very, very pressured area. Honestly, I actually just ran into a subscriber, which is funny. I was with him last time I was fishing here with my buddy Jack. So I'm gonna go with the same stuff I was using last time, which is the KVD bubblegum drop shot worm. But instead I have it on a Ned rig. So I'm gonna give this a dangle. Apparently it gets really deep right here. So hopefully we can hook into something. Thank you.
That's funny as shit. What do you say? Hey, are you AC Bass?
Yeah, he's like, you AC Bass? I was like, yeah. He goes, dude, I just watched your Loch Raven video. And he's like, I wanted to tag you in a photo, but I didn't have your Instagram. But I caught a 5-pound out of that side.
Oh, what side?
The other side.
Oh, this rig?
Yeah.
What?
And he showed me a picture, and I was like, holy shit, man, that's fucking sick.
Damn, that's dope as hell.
Okay, that works. Not like my drone's in here or anything. water is crystal clear.
Yeah, it gets deeper than 20 feet right where I'm at.
No way. Don't tell me I'm snagged.
Oh man. Like the blue.
I set the hook so hard on this too. It's $11 down the drain right there. Yeah. He's coming up.
Come back. Get it.
Got him. Last cast of the day. Literally, guys, last cast of the day. Now I get to send him home.
Do it in the deep part.
Yeah, I know. See you, buddy. Oh, I am so sorry. I did not mean to belly flop you. I am so sorry. Right on the day, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, this is gonna end today's video. It's not the day that we hope to have, but I did catch a bass like you guys saw. I wish we would have caught more. Loch Raven was a bust like it's been for the last 3 to 4 weeks. It's just been awful. Luckily, we didn't have to rent a boat today and our buddy Tony let us borrow his boat. But even this creek was kind of a bust. I mean, last time I was here, I caught a good amount of bass with Jack, but today it was off. Everything about today was just off. Guys, like always, please make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.